You've probably seen some deepfake videos online. Maybe you've seen a politician saying something outrageous or a celebrity doing something embarrassing. But did you know you can make your own deepfake videos with just a few clicks? You can make yourself look like your favorite actor, singer, or influencer. So stick around and learn how to use a simple and fun deepfake tool that will let you swap faces and voices with anyone you want. Step 1. Install Visual Studio. So, to get started, you'll need to download Visual Studio, the secret tool for most AI stuff. You can find the link for the download in the description below. When you're installing Visual Studio, make sure to pick Desktop Development with C++ and Game Development with C++. Once that's done, don't forget to restart your computer to finish up the installation. Step 2. Install Roop Unleashed. Now, the main software we need for deepfake is Roop Unleashed. Crafted by some dev, Roop rocks a simpler GUI. Plus, it's totally free to use and watermark free. Now, the hitch might be the bit of a techie installation and a slightly longer processing time of 1 minute 46 seconds for videos. Despite that, the pure freedom and no watermarks on the output make Roop a real catch for plenty of people. So head over to the GitHub page for Roop Unleashed. The link is in the description below. It's just a one-click install. Once you're on the GitHub page, hit that green button named Code. From the drop-down menu, go for the Download Zip option. Save that zip file to wherever you want to plant Roop Unleashed. For us, it's going to be on our F drive. Now, open up File Explorer and head over to your Roop Unleashed zip file. You can either right-click and choose the Extract All option or double-click that zip file. Then you just have to drag that Roop Unleashed main folder right into your F drive. Once that's done, you can delete the zip file. A quick tip, your folder name should look like this, and not this, as spaces can cause errors. Now, go to that main folder. In there, you'll spot a folder labeled Installer. Here, you'll have to search for the windows_run.bat file. Give it a click, and you might see an error window pop up. Just ignore that and hit the More Info button and a Run Anyway option. But if you're feeling a bit wary, you can right-click on the bat file and select Edit. That'll give you a sneak peek at exactly what's in those files. If it looks like gibberish, then just follow this next step. Step 3. Scan for viruses. Head on over to virustotal.com using the link in the description. Just drag and drop the bat file there and it'll give you the lowdown on its safety. Seems like our files are all squeaky clean, so we can continue with the installation. But sometimes those scanners can go a bit overboard. If they say there's a virus, it's best to go back to where you got the file. Ours is from a reliable source, GitHub. So let's check out the Community tab or forums to see if other users face the virus issue. Once you're sure everything's virus-free, it's time to complete the installation. Step 4. Gather the source and target video. So while it's completing the installation, let's gather the videos and images. Canva is the best source to snag a stock video. The link is in the description. We typed portrait into the search bar and searched for the right video, something under 10 seconds and with a background. After some scrolling, here's what we picked out. Now that we've got the source video, it's on to nab a face. A quick Google hunt led us to many actors' pictures, and just like that, we've nabbed our source video and face to boot. Step 5. Continue the installation and set a theme. Now, once the installation's all done, Roop will open in your browser. So let's say you accidentally close the Roop tab. You just have to visit the same bat file from the installer folder. Running the file won't do a whole reinstall. Instead, it'll just sniff out for any updates. If it does prompt you for an update, just type in a Y and hit that Enter key. If there are updates, Roop will get them all sorted. If not, it'll open as usual. Now, let's head over to the settings. The default settings usually do the trick. However, if you want to shop around, head on over to the Settings tab and take a look at the themes. Personally, we just tack on !_theme equals dark at the end of the URL to go into the dark mode. Now, head on over to the Providers tab. As we said, the default settings are usually the best fit for anyone. If you've got yourself an NVIDIA graphics card, you'll most probably see CUDA, which is what is the best choice. But if you don't see that, then it's the CPU for you. Step 6. Generating deepfake video. Now, let's head back to the Face Swap tab. You'll see these two important boxes. First up, let's look at this box labeled Source Files. Think of it as the face box. This is where you'll upload the photo of the face you want to use in your deepfake. Just drop that image right into this box. Then we've got the target file box. This one's for your video. That's where you'll upload the video you want to deepfake. Remember, source files for the face and the target file for the video. Once you've got those all set up, you're ready to swap some faces. Now scroll down to the post-processing section. We prefer using GFP GAN, but feel free to use whatever post-process you fancy. Once you've made your choice, give that start button a click. It may take time depending on your target video and your computer's speed. You'll end up with a video like this. Step 7. Generating deepfake images. Roop Unleashed can stir up some deepfake images too. Just like we said earlier, it's an all-in-one tool for all things regarding deepfake. So when it comes to images, just drag and drop your image into the target box. Yup, it's the same deal as a video but with an image. Then hit start and that's the deepfake image you wanted. Potential problems you can face. On a personal note, we've generally had a smooth process with Roop Unleashed, but there was one pesky situation that caught our eye. I tried using Stable Diffusion to generate some faces, but some of those faces just didn't quite sit right with Roop. For instance, when we gave this face a try, it just didn't register properly. So when you drag and drop your faces into the source box, you'll quickly know if they make the cut or not just by seeing if Roop Unleashed gave a nod of approval. Another problem we ran into was with the H.264 settings. Try as we might, we couldn't get it to work. That's why we give the default settings a gold star in our book. And if you stumble upon any hurdles or have puzzlers, the best way to round up some support is straight from the GitHub page under the Issues tab. Keep it legal. Alright, let's talk about the ethics of using deepfake technology. Roop Unleashed is definitely a nifty tool, but it's got some real power behind it, so we've got to use it with care. There's a fine line between shenanigans and crossing the line into mischief. Creating funny videos? Heck yeah! But using deepfakes to pull the wool over folks' eyes? That's a big no-no. We've got to stay on the straight and narrow, doing right by others. Besides, there's no bad in some lightweight fun with the tech, but let's do it with the right mind. Keep it fun and keep it legal. And that's a wrap. Share your funny prank with deepfake in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.